What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, where we bring you the latest tech for the greatest prices. I'm excited to introduce the Ducky 1-2 Mini Mechanical Keyboard to you. It's an awesome 60% keyboard. So many people are raving about it, so many people ask about it, so it definitely deserves a video. Let's get to it and open the box. Okay, inside the box you've got your USB connector, some spare keycaps, also a user manual card, and of course, the 1-2 mini keyboard itself. It's a 60% keyboard, meaning it's 60% of the standard size keyboard. It boasts an all-new lightweight petite bezel design. The new bezel design shares a similar sleek frame as its predecessor, but the 1-2 mini incorporates dual colors on the bezel to match all varieties of keycaps. Multiple colors are available for the keycaps, but more importantly, the sound. What does it sound like when we type? Let's have a listen. I'm going to lean my microphone in so you really are able to hear it. I must say, for me, it has that dream typing sound like out of a 007 movie or some of those comfortable typing sound effects we hear in video games. This is that keyboard. The keys are made of double-shot PBT, that's polybutylene terephthalate. You only see this in the best of keyboards. It's one of the hardest, most durable materials for keycaps. Obviously, being this tiny, you don't have as many keys as larger keyboards. So things like insert, page up, page down, screen lock, print screen, they don't have their own dedicated button, but the keycaps have been engraved on the side by laser. Fancy, okay? No functions sacrificed. Check this out. As you can see, all the functions, let's get a close-up here, all the functions are there for you in plain sight. If you do need to program macros, that's fine. It also supports Ducky macro version 2.0 and mouse control function. So you can use the software to program your own macros as well. All right, as I'm plugging in the USB cable here, that reiterates the fact that it is detachable. The USB cable is detachable, which is pretty cool for keyboards. You don't typically see that. That makes it easier to pack when you want to bring it someplace, so extra points for convenience. It uses USB HID with the highest frequency of 1000 Hertz polling rate, so that means it's sending input signals into your computer at 1000 times per second. You get super diversified lighting effects, as you can see. I can hold the Alt function T and toggle between, or maybe I should hit function Alt T, there we go, and toggle between the different lighting effects. You get the different well-known effects like rainbow, wave, single color, reaction effects, different macro modes. This is backlighting, the white background here. I recommend everyone holds onto their user manual for this keyboard because the lighting effects actually truly get pretty complicated. You can also use the software to get the whole color wheel available to make your own color effects. For me, I just choose a single cool color and I feel fine. But you literally get the whole rainbow and all possible combinations within. All right, so that's basically it, everyone. The Ducky 1-2 Mini Mechanical Keyboard is truly awesome. It's 60% size, all of the keys double shot with PBT, the polybutylene terephthalate. They're laser engraved with an easy to see legend for extra key functions. Make it even easier to see with the angle adjusters on the back. It comes with a detachable USB cable for extra portability. You get all sorts of customizable color options with either the software or the key commands. Every Ducky 1-2 Mini comes with 10 additional PBT double-shot colored keycaps, random color, and the keyboard is fully compatible with Windows and Linux, and it's got limited capability with Mac. For specific prices, you can check the description or click the link below. All right, let's have one more listen because this is so pleasing. I'm Kenan, this has been Newegg Now, and now you know.